Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the language for Appsumo. In order to do so, first off, if we start with appsumo.com and we go to the profile icon at the top right hand corner, then from here if you select profile, if you look through all of the options here, you're not going to find any information specifically related to changing the language. That's because in order to change the language for Appsumo, then you are going to need to do it through your browser, or you're going to need to do it from the machine you're using itself. So to do that, up at the top right hand corner, if you are using Chrome, then you'll find the three little dots here. If we select that, then down at the bottom, towards the bottom, you'll see here where it says translate. We can go ahead and click on that, and then we're going to select these three little dots, and we're going to select choose another language. Here you have a variety of languages that you can choose from, and once you have selected whatever it is that you're looking to change it to, then you can hit the translate button and you'll see that it now translates the page for you. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that back to English, but that's just to give you an idea of how you can change the language settings in Appsumo. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.